So like all the other Evos, they are going to have some corrosion. But on here, you can see it's got lots of underseal. This is the main point. This is your rear subframe, which carries a diff, and that's bolts to your chassis rail here.
Yeah.
And here is where the water collects and starts to corrode.
Yes, I can
Now,
see. Yeah.
If you come this side, and I'll show you the problem. Stand behind me. Can you see the crack there?
Oh yeah. Yeah.
So what would have happened is the metal is cracking and someone's undersealed it. So if I pick at that, that's going to fall off.
Fall off. Okay.
And it's the same on the other side.
Yeah.
So that needs some attention. I think there's a lot of underseal. I advise clean all that off.
Yeah.
All the way off and have a look, see what's under there.
So
I suspect that's all
just
broken.
brush it. Yeah.
It's hidden because you can see it's had some patches. For example, that fuel line's been patched. There's a joint in there.
I see. Yeah.
There shouldn't be a rubber hose, I suspect, because that's rotten. Someone's replaced a section of rubber hose there.
Yeah.
And again on this side, you've got a similar problem. If you come from this side again, can you see a crack there?
Oh yes. Yeah.
All the way there, up there.
Okay.
So I think you're gonna have the same problem here, and it's running along there.
Yeah.
So I'd advise cleaning all of this.
Yeah.
And also cleaning the rear chassis, the box sections. These box sections rust, and you can see there's a plate here or some filler or something.
Yeah.
I'd clean all of that.
I tried to underseal that after I bought it. I was running it in a bit of rain.
Under there though.
Yeah.
There's a problem under there.
There's a problem.
Investigate what's going on.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Excellent.
That looks like one of our parts there.
Yeah.
It's got our writing on it.
Yeah. Because he used this company. I've got the receipts for the car.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So that's one of our old customers.
Yeah.
All right. So I thought I'd show you while we're having a look.
Excellent. Thanks.